Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. A quick update here. We are talking about the ongoing scenario. Quant broke out of the triangle to the upside. With that, it followed the primary expectation. We have now, from all these target areas that we had on the chart, all these reversal areas really only missed one by a few dollars. Everything else worked fine. This move to the upside was amazing. This was the target area. We did hit it, yeah. So, however, we didn't really get into it, but we hit it, we touched it, then reversed from there, and this confirms the current wave count. Yeah, the current wave count suggests that we already have the low in for Quant in this bear market, that we moved up in a wave one here, to 100 and what was it, $135, I think, or a bit lower maybe. Then we came down in wave two, reversed here, and we're now in this wave three. There will be a wave four and a wave five to complete a higher level wave one. Now, of course, in this wave three in green, there are subwaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are only in the first one here. And the first wave, a wave one, also has 5 waves, which means we can count it as a 5-wave structure, which is also why we expected primarily one more leg up, which also now happened. Yeah? So we can say that we had a wave one here to the upside, a wave two down there, all the way down to $95, then a wave three to the upside here. Here in the last few videos we talked about this being a triangle pattern, and that a wave breakout to the upside would take us into our target area for the 5th wave. This has happened. A triangle pattern is generally considered a trend continuation pattern. So this followed the expectation, and we are in the target area now. So generally, this shows again why limit orders are so valuable, because sometimes, let's say you are sleeping or whatever, when you miss taking profit in the area and you haven't set a limit order, you might miss out, because theoretically, when the price touches this area, it can reverse, as we did it here. We touched the area, that was the 50% FIB level back then, and we reversed. Now, even if you just bought exactly here, this was a nice trade setup, a 1-2 setup, which led within a few weeks to a 70% profit. Even if you bought just here in this small reversal area, which we also touched, it made a 25% or 24% profit. And even if you bought in the last one, and I go all the way to the top again, so had you really just bought at the absolute top of this reversal area, 13% profit. So that all looks interesting, that all looks nice. Therefore, I would personally consider to take profits now. This can still push higher. In fact, I primarily still think it will push higher, but we always need to be ready. It can come down from here. Therefore, I would not take all profits now. In fact, I would have taken some profits already slightly before reaching that area. And I always try to emphasize at least explain my way of taking profits, which would always be like that. So taking a smaller portion, on the way up, and then more profits as we go higher, okay, until the entire position is cleared. And then when scaling in wave two, it's sort of the other way around, yeah. So basically like that, just to keep the risk low, because the closer you buy to support, the bigger the position is you buy closer to support, the lower your risk, because you buy close to support. Okay, and in the micro now, it really looks like we've done here, or we completed the triangle pattern where we said it was completed, then moved up in a wave one, came down in a 2, and we're now moving up in 3. That wave 3 could be complete. In fact, it might have been complete. We came down in 4 and could already be pushing higher in 5 now. Why? Because this wave 4, first of all, you can count this as a 5-wave move up, and this wave 4 reached the perfect retracement area for a wave 4. So the 38.2% FIB level at $146, you can see that. We reacted first of all to the target, then came down, reacted again to the ideal retracement for a wave 4, and then are now possibly pushing higher here. Confirmed if we get above $153, and then we could push sort of into the region here, 157, $162, yeah. So sort of into the middle of this area. That's sort of what I would find reasonable, because if we take one way of calculating a target for the wave one, for the wave 5 is to take the length of the wave 1, to add it to the beginning of the wave 5, and then one target would be the 1.618 FIB extension, which is at 159 US dollars. And yeah, that's pretty much where we are. After that, when we have 5 waves complete, which I don't think we have yet, this still looks like a 3-wave structure to me, so we need one more leg up. Then I would expect the move down in wave 2. I've already moved it based on the latest high, so I would scale in the area between 101 and 120 US dollars. Yeah, and that's my update about Quant. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.